Here early, here late. Good thing he only lives around the corner.
Yeah, I'm sure his wife agrees. So it's 11 o'clock on Monday, February 22nd. Pursuant to section 2 of the RFP, we are going to open the bids that we have received so far. Actually, they're bids that we have received in total. Mr. Freeman, you want to crack them open?
Just pull them out and stamp them. Yep.
Oh, look at that.
Should we open this one too?
You want to announce them?
Let's see. This is the Communications Design Consulting Group LLC out of Barrington, New Hampshire. $68,000.
What was that amount again?
$68,000.
That includes 3 phases: the study and the report, the specification and the bid process, and the system implementation. And presumes an hourly rate of $150 an hour and mileage and expenses of $2,000.
Okay, sorry about that. This one is going to be New England Radio Consultants LLC. And they're out of Shelton, Connecticut, and Center Asapi, New Hampshire.
It starts on page 8.
This one is got a phase 1 base price of $27,750 for 185 hours of work.
I think it says
So they only give one phase. It says the completion of phase 1 will include cost estimates for phase 2 and 3. Let's see where the phase 2 and 3 are.
yeah, it says on an hourly rate of $150 per hour.
Is there an estimation on what phase 2 and 3 hours would be?
Doesn't look like it.
We asked for all 3 phases.
Yeah, it looks like, Bill, let me know if you read this the same way, but that they're proposing a not to exceed Oh, no, that's not true. We're talking about carrying over from phase 1 to phase 2 and 3.
Yeah, I was looking at page 4. Go back, page 4, it looks like it talks about the phases. It just doesn't give a cost analysis of the phases.
Well, it looks like the first one, the Communication Design Consulting Group, is the more complete application. So we have a quote with 3 phases from Communication Design Consulting Group with an estimated project total of $68,000. And we have a submission from New England Radio Consultants LLC with 1 phase specifically broken out. That was projected cost of $27,750. And no, as far as I can see, no clear delineation for scope of work on phase 2 and 3.
Correct. At least no association with the cost associated with
Right.
phase 2 and 3. He does spell out phase 2 and 3 in there.
I think now we do reference checks, right?
Yeah, I think it probably would be appropriate to do a detailed analysis of both submissions and then reference checks and then make a determination at a later date. That's best for the town. Okay.
What was their phase 1?
This one's
Yeah.
24.
Comparability to the one that they did this price,
$2,000 less.
not significant.
I don't even see reference checks provided for in the first one. Okay, so that's what we'll do. The copies of the RFP will be available in our office if any members of the public want to view them. And we'll work through emergency management to do an analysis of this.
Sounds good.
All right, thank you all for joining. It's 11:08. That concludes the bid opening for the radio RFP.